Won Miss S.O.C.E. Made it to Rio. Told you I was coming.
Por el bodrio, intentaremos arreglarlo de alguna manera, puede ser que venga otro carro, no estoy seguro, pero de momento no se hará posible hablar con ustedes en el carro. Perfecto, muchas gracias. It will probably... Por favor, to the sidewalk please. Keep waiting for us on the sidewalk. No se esperen la avenida.
I see now we're going through the entrance. Long you gotta have your ticket in order to get in.
Si la quieren sacar,
Gracias.
si no, espérenos ahí sentados. Tenemos photo now.
About to make our way up to the Redeemer now.
By 10:15, we meet each other right here. Okay, guys?
See, we out here, we at the top. Let's go to statue. I'm on my way up right now. Got the little cafe.
Oh, that's the coffee shop, right?
Ah, yes. Let's wait. They're going to
This clutch right here. This is gorgeous. Yeah, we up here. We is high.
No.
About to walk y'all around this joker.
No, normal.
Y'all see it? We got the S.O.C.E shorts on, hat, the leather messenger bag. All this can be copped on the website, www.S.O.C.E.com.
I didn't really take any pictures of the views.
I did. 90 years. 90 years.
Alright, y'all. This it. We back at the bottom. It's the end of that tour. I'm about to check out. Y'all stay tuned to see what the next country is. Y'all stay on that watch the stories. I went and set up a Snapchat and what the other shit called? I don't know. All this doggone social media. I do it to post y'all information so y'all can see what's going on, but I ain't into that shit. But anyways, y'all stay tuned to all of that. IG, hit the website, y'all support. Dropping new stuff regularly. It's gonna be a hot summer, a good summer too. So this your boy Mr. S.O.C.E checking out. We in Rio, Brazil.